Okay, so once we have the process steps in place, and we can see for our process we have 5 steps, we can also adjust some of the default values. Right now we can see the investment and the exploitation, which is basically the CAPEX, or the capital costs, and the operational costs, OPEX, here. So if we'd like to adjust one of the default values, for example, the transport pipeline, let's just look at these CAPEX and OPEX values here, and it'll cost 2.73 cents per cube currently with the current default values. So if we click on the transport line, we can see these investment parameters here, which is linked to the CAPEX. And if we adjust, for example, the pipeline length, so this is currently all the default values. We have to tick this box in order to adjust the value. You can also see a symbol here, which is a circle, indicating, and it says here, you can see the information tab as well, equal to default. So 10 is the default. If we go higher or lower, you can see the arrows on the left change as well. So I moved it up to 15, but if you also go down to below the default value, you'll be able to see that here as well. So let's keep it at 15 kilometers, and you can see 2 arrows here. And you can add a comment in here, for example, the reason why you changed the value, and for example, we can say based on current measurements. And this is also very helpful if you have multiple people working on this project or in the dashboard simultaneously, or to remind your future self of why you changed these values. All right, so you can change any of the other values as well, but also the operational values here. Any one of these can be changed, again, by clicking on the box and changing the default value. It's important to save this, and I will do that just now, but simultaneously, I want to show you in the right pane here, in this right column, you can see a very nice explanation of some of these calculations. The price level, the accuracy, the scope, what's included in the function, but also what's excluded. So these are things that you can consider as well. And then a short explanation about the pipe construction costs in general. So let's save this. We'll go back to the alternative 1, and you can see that the costs have now changed, and it is now 4.1 cents per cube, which is increased because obviously we increased the length of the pipeline by 5 kilometers.